Good evening. Life is like a journey, a long road from beginning to never ending. Like a cycle, like a maze. Your choice, your path, and your ways. So hold on to the wheel of life and let's celebrate a wonderful journey to the right. Good evening, a glorious, glamorous, extravagant evening to each and everyone. My real name is Angelo Christian Advincola. I'm only 21 years old but truly all the way from the progressive city of Valenzuela. I am a graduate with a bachelor's degree of secondary education at one of the finest universities here in the Philippines, the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Valenzuela. And I'm proudly to say that I am part of samahan ng mga nagpapakadalubhasa sa wikang Filipino. But since this is a pageant, distinguished honorable panel of judges, Ma'am Sir, please allow me to carry the image of your one and only. Ang babaeng minsan nyo na pong tinutukan sa Pinoy Big Brother. Ang babaeng minsan nyo na rin pong sinubaybayan sa Miss Universe Philippines bilang isa sa mga semi-finalists. Your Princess of Masbate, Miss Kisses Galavin. Kisses Galavin na nag-iiwan po sa inyo na isang katagang. Mahirap magpakababae kung hindi po tayo isang tunay na babae. Mahirap din po magpakalalaki kung di po tayo isang tunay na lalaki. Ngunit mas mahirap po ata ang magpakatao kung di nyo po kami gagalangin at rerespetuhin bilang isang tao. Judges, I do always believe that I'm proudly to wear this festival costume that represents and very significant to the most Mahaling Muyak Festival, the Bulaklakan Festival, also known as the Panagbenga Festival, all the way from the city of Pines, the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. Once again, this is Angelo Christian Advincola. Judges, enjoy the night, have fun, good evening.
Thank you, candidate number 7, Miss Kisses Galavin. Now, let's go on to candidate number 8.
Alvin! Wala! Alvin!